Morning everyone. Tawa si Saki. Gusto niya breakfast lagi. Rice with ampalaya. Rice with ampalaya. That's my breakfast before.
From yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Just healthy food.
Me, bread. My mom there. Yung cortina namin, pinalitan ko siya ba?
So what are we gonna do today?
We're going to Mandawi Pum and then SM and then we're gonna buy manga.
Yeah, I think I only ate manga once.
You ate also manga yesterday. With the Ali mango, there's also
Right.
manga over there.
Yeah, right.
Enjoy your breakfast and palaya rice with soy sauce.
Salamat.
You're very Pinoy now.
I am. More than you.
Kain tayo! Kain tayo! Kumain siya doon. Mama ko ay bodyguard. Kain natin siya na. Nagluto siya noodles tapos hati kami bread.
Mami's plan, nag-ilis na ako.
What are you doing, Kai?
Nag-ilis na ang costume.
English siya para makasabot si Uncle Sik. What kind of costume is that, Kai?
Deadpool.
Mag-vlog daw siya. Kinuha niya yung camera. Sabi ko, yun mo na lang. Ano sa? Deadpool? Ha?
Patay, dead.
Bu.
Dead.
Look, Kyrie, Uncle. I want to show you. Yeah.
Oh, that's Deadpool?
Yeah, do you know the Ryan Reynolds?
Yeah.
He got a new movie too.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that one. That's
I thought
outfit.
it was Spider-Man, this one.
No, that was the... Sige, tarong nga. Hubuhay mo sa nina.
Ayun.
Nga naman. Hubuha lang. Di matarong. Hala, ka-cute ba? Uy, tarungag sa nina. Palayo kay para makuha sa whole camera. Irog dito para makita ka. Oh. Pakita daw niya sa inyo. Ay, Diyos ko. Pakita nyo na lang.
So, yung zipper.
Isipir. Natanawa. Mainat. Oh.
Zipper natin.
Isipir mo,
yung
tapos
gloves.
gloves. Sige, suot mo yung gloves. Sige, be. Tapos si Saki ay nag-exercise na siya, mara siya gikigwa. Sige, tarungin mo ha. Nakanindot gud anak kay. Sana man na eh. Para makita ka irog dito. Tapos, taro nga.
Mascara.
Sige, be. Whole outfit. Di masud sa ulo dako. Hala! Kuyawa! Look! Uncle Sik! Look!
Oh, scary.
Anak, Kay? Kinsa ka? How are you?
Deadpool.
Look, I'm scared. Kuyawa, oy. It look nice. Right?
Yeah, sure.
Hello. Wow, nice guy. Ako naglinis today, kaya kanina si Kyrie yung nag-vlog. So, nandito kami sa Tamiya, kaya magbili kami ng alimango. Ang Kyrie, kasama ko si Saki, si Kyrie at Ate Shana. Alimango ay. Kai, where are you? Moy pumpkin, no, the bat.
What is that, mango graham bar?
Yeah, it's like ice cream bar, so it's
Oh, ice cream? Because it looks a bit like a tompouche.
yeah, so it's mit Aisha. Nandito yung mga outlets kung gusto nyo mag-shopping, hala. Shopping to the max kayo dito. Gabi na ako natapos naglinis, kaya sabi ko gusto kong mag-alimango, kaya ang sarap ng mango nila. Tapos may sago at parang siyang ice cream ba. Pakul, kasi ang init ng panahon. Mango share sila Ate Shana at Kyrie. Pumpkin. Be.
No, you should try.
Yuko ano?
Yeah, I will remove the... No, can't do that.
Oh, there's can you Kai? There's a lot of mango. Yum, man.
Okay.
Namian ka kay? Tamis? Mango na pa yung kaon. Mango ang kinain ng kursi kay no? Tamis kay na. Wala kay? Ati siya na. Dito sa Tamiya, nilagyan nilang decoration doon. Tamiya outlets. Mau kayo nice kayo. Awa, dito. Ito. Halimanggo sarap. Sinong taga Tamiya dyan? Ganda ng pa-decoration nito. Very nice. Dali, kay. Wow, kanay. Paginay, kay. Wow, kanay, kay, no? Wow, nice here, kay. Dali, ito siyan. They make it nice here. Cute. Nice, kay, no? Oh, nandito to sa Tamiya Outlet Pueblo Verde. Kyrie, mas Kyrie.
Wala ka cute.
Hala, cute Kyrie, no? Hala, look at pumpkin. So cute, too. Yeah. Look at the pumpkin. At mark your photo. Come on,
I
there.
think the first time that they made a decoration here.
We're not here in December, to. There's the...
Been here once or twice.
Napay nagpicture unya na. Sige na, walk din. Na, lumoy. Ang ganda ng paggagawa nila.
Uy, una ko! Una ko dala.
Yeah.
No, but we need to be there to capture it.
Ato tapalit og bagi pan sa SM kay. Unsa may din eh? Kana nga ng bagi pants awa mahit ha. Tutor ko kayo dito sa Tamiya. Sinong taga Tamiya dyan. Ganda dito. Wala. Wala man rin. Tanaw, tantigulang man na purong. Ugma tamo adto SM. Kay sukod nimo. Magbaytag kuander banana cake. Dali magbaytag banana cake. Magpicture sa Alimango. Dito lang kami sa Halo-Halo.
Halo, ma'am.
Ate Shana, kain naman Halo-Halo. Asi Kyrie day. Ayaw na Ate Shana. Kanaw sabi, Mango Graham sabi no.
Ikaw, like, limpyo
Dito
na
kami
ako.
sa Tamiya. Nag-Halo-Halo na naman kami. Ano ko lang. No?
Ang itubi, di ko magawin.
Nanang manggabi, pakaw na ako.
Hi guys, maghimo tayo ng bread. Maghimo tayong cheese with bread.
Okay, show how you're gonna make it.
First, gonna get a cheese.
Okay. You will toast that guy.
Yeah.
Vlog daw siya. Sabi niya, mag-vlog ka.
First goes. Okay. Now it's done. It's done. Now let's put a bread. 2 breads. Okay. Okay. Just put it here and the bread.
How many cheese you put?
2.
Okay, that's enough. Put them together. Toast it. So it
Ako na
melt.
toast, Mommy.
Okay, done na.
Ako na
You
toast.
put the bread on top also, the other bread. Done na, done.
And put it on the stove.
Toast na toast. Ayaw i-touch imong hand, ha? Kainit.
Okay?
Just like that.
Put that.
Push. Ayaw i-touch imong hand sa kuan kay init. I-cover.
Cover.
That's all.
Thank you for watching. Bye.